What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 1 Gatorade Blues. Let's get going. Alright, so to get these ones, go to the GOAT app, which is available on iOS and Android. And these shoes will cost you between $100 and $200 depending on your size. And so the official name is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Gatorade Blue Lagoon. And they come in cool blue, which is the title of them. And they come with a white and orange Gatorade towel as well, which unfortunately isn't in this box because these are my brother's shoes and he gave the towel to someone else, so I can't show you it in this video, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah, let's unbox these. Alright, let's unbox these Air Jordans. So you get a pretty standard Nike box with the mic on the front and the Gatorade logo, because these are a partnership with Michael Jordan and Gatorade, if you didn't know. And these come in a bunch of different colors: purple, blue, orange, yellow, and maybe a few others, I'm not sure, but pretty sure it's just those ones that I mentioned. I'll have a link down below in the description if you want to check out any of the colors. Yeah, so here we go. So the wrapping, you get these Gatorade bubbles, nice silver wrapping. It's pretty classy. And then, yeah, there's some more. And there's the shoes. Let's pop them out. Bada boom, bada boom. And then, oh, one more thing. In this part of the box, it says, "Be like Mike," as in Michael Jordan. Let's put that box to the side. Yeah, so here's the shoes. So these are the Blue Lagoon, the color. You got the Gatorade tag right here with the Air Jordan logo on the other side. You got the orange Nike logo right up front. Nike swoosh on the side. This is leather, I believe, on the bottom, on the whole shoe. And you got ice on the bottom with a Gatorade symbol underneath the ice, which looks really, really nice. And then on the back, the Gatorade symbol right there again, Air Jordan. Nothing on the very back. Inside, it says "Be like Mike," and then you got the white on the inside of the tongue, which is pretty nice. And you've got this padding inside to keep the shape. Pull that out. And it says Nike Air in the bottom of the shoe. You got these nice blue laces with the orange tip. Yeah, so these are pretty nice. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so two more things before I wrap up this video. So one, this video was shot entirely on my Samsung Galaxy S8 with the Rode Video Mic Me, which I unboxed recently, and attached to the Ulanzi smartphone tripod and with my newer mini light that I've been using for a while, sitting on a Manfrotto tripod. I think this setup looks pretty good, and this is what I'm going to be doing for the next little while, so I can get a better DSLR camera. But yeah, let me know how it looks. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.